Hi, I'm Kellen Bryant, Florida Bar Board certified elder law attorney, and I've been involved in creating at least 1,849 estate plans for clients over the last 15 years. By the end of this video, you'll understand the essential steps and ideas behind estate planning, including choosing beneficiaries, organizing assets, and setting meaningful goals. Let's go. First step is to choose your beneficiaries when you pass away. That is the goal of estate planning. Let's start easy. If you're married, it generally is 100% to your spouse. If you're not married, it's generally equally to all your children. Now, this is where it starts getting complicated. What if you don't have children? Then you should be thinking about extended family or beneficiaries. What if it's your second marriage? Then you should think about how to provide for your surviving spouse without disinheriting your children who are not theirs. What if your beneficiaries are disabled? Should we disinherit them, or should we provide a special needs trust? What if one of your named beneficiaries predeceases you? Then we should think about how that share should be distributed. What if you have a sentimental property that everyone in the family likes? Then you should think about how you want to plan for that. So estate planning begins with the end in mind. Think about how your assets and your people in your family and how they should receive your abundance and wealth. Next, let's talk about selecting fiduciaries. What are fiduciaries? Those are the people that you are going to name to take care of your affairs, whether you're incapacitated or to settle your affairs when you are deceased. Fiduciaries have many terms: agent under power of attorney, healthcare surrogate under designation of healthcare surrogate, trustee under a trust, personal representative under a will, also known as an executor in other states. The people that you should be choosing for this position should be the most high integrity people that you know who can complete a task. That's the most important characteristics that I find in my practice. Not so much location, not so much aptitude. Those could be made up for by technology and attorney assistance. Your job is to select fiduciaries who will keep your highest needs in regard and the beneficiary's highest needs in regard, and they can complete a task. Your third step in estate planning is organizing your assets. Under today's age, sometimes parents don't talk to their children about the parents' money. If you don't choose to share that information, then you need to be very well organized. You need to have a nice spreadsheet or table or organizational tool to track every single account that you own at every single location with every single account number and every single approximate value. I recommend starting with a spreadsheet. If you're not that way and you're old school, then a ledger. Keeping yourself organized will assist the people you select to settle your estate to gather up and do their job, rather than having to search around looking and figuring out what you had, because you're not going to be there to go through that. So your organization is one primary key to your success in estate planning. Last thing you should do for your estate planning is to define your goals. For estate planning, there's also overarching goals that you're going to need to plan for. Do you want to avoid probate? Watch my video on probate and you can decide whether or not you want your beneficiaries and fiduciaries experiencing that. Do you want to save on taxes? Do you want to protect assets for yourself? Do you want to protect assets from nursing homes? Do you want to protect assets from creditors? Do you want to protect assets from, on behalf of your beneficiaries, from divorces, creditors, bankruptcies, and so forth? Those type of overarching goals are considerations you should be having in terms of your estate plan. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. If I missed anything, you'll find the key documents. Watch my next video on that and ask me any questions below in the comments. I'll work to get back to you. Thanks.